Okay.
Ku-breakout sizobuka izinto ezikanje kuqala. Sibone ku-breakout yethu sizofuna ama-pattern akanje. Angithi i-price yakhuphuka and then nayi yayibona then iyabuya. And then thina-ke sizofocusa lana ne. Yayibona? Ibuyile la. Yabuya again la phezulu.
Okay.
And then izobuya again here or ibuya again here. Now, what's going to happen at this level? It can be ukuthi price ayifiki accurate here. It can be ukuthi price ayifiki accurate la. Kodwa la phezulu i-accurate. So the more price ithinta this resistant. Ishiya mhlambe sothini ikhandlela encane phezulu kancane. And then mayibuya mhlambe ikhipha kancane kanje. Something like this, and then your price now mase izo breakout here your price ayifiki back to its support ijika halfway. Let me just extend like this la uzobona ukuthi price isalishintsha direction kule level, and then this is what you're going to see now because of ila and ikhombile ukuthi izo breakout if ingeke i-breakout immediately is a jigger, and then this is where you're going to see a breakout. Now, somewhere here you have something like a trend line. And then when once you want this breakout, you don't have to take a trade immediately. A trade yako uitata as soon as a price ibiyele move. A price mayehla is ala pants. That's when you're going to take a trade yako. And then trade yako uitata lana. This is a confirmation yokuthi i-price seyakhuphuka manje angeke isajika la. Remember, once a resistance is broken, it becomes a support. Once a support is broken, it becomes a resistance. So at this level, we have a resistance that is broken, of which now it becomes a support. This is what you're going to see after.
Okay.
I see. Asambe sibheka ku-chart ukuthi sizoyithola now, and then sizobuya sibheke ASL again.
All right.
And if kukhona understanding usheshe ukubuze sokwazi discover almost everything. Okay. Now, here we have something as well. Sizosebenzisa this horizontal line. Okay, before C7 is I think you keep a scale pants, analyze the whole pair. What we're going to do, remember, we start from higher time frame. As we start from higher time frame, we look for minor support and resistance. So now at this level, we have something like this, a trend line. And then we have support here to at this level, support here to at this level. We have a resistance here to at this level. So now on weekly analysis eganj. Okay, let's go to daily now, and then good daily we can see Uguti here we have something like this. And still, since we have something like this, there's nothing that we have to do at this level. We have to wait with the price is a fair good trend line, and then this is where we're going to take a trade. But now, again, angithi manje we check by all means ukuthi i-price yenzani for us to be safe. I-price ijikile because of this, but ayifika immediately ijike almost halfway. Ijike so this candlestick we also test is supply and demand. So what we have to do now, so say about the price phezulu, there's nothing that we have to do here. Wait for your price to fear good trend line and then you open a trade. So let's continue and then go to smaller time frame and look for the opportunities esingaba now. Okay, now siyabona the price now is akupuga still. Okay, fine, that's not a big deal. Asibiyele move. Now we're going to back test. Let's check la. Here we have E minor support. And then we have E resistant here at this level. Not sure if you can see clear.
Yeah, I can see.
If you look on your left-hand side, we have something. We have a consolidation on for our time frame. We have a consolidation here. We will also go to smaller time frame to show you what I'm talking about. Remember, the price was turning at this level as what? As a support. And then this level was broken, and then the price started turning at this level as what? As a resistant. And then again, the price came back to the resistant. You can see.
Yeah, I can see.
Resistant again. So now it was broken here at this level. Yeah, shear in a rally base rally as it was going up. And then the price came back to test the rally base rally. So when entry yako, you're going to get to this level. Remember, earlier nyana mangwenzela illustration yethu lana, I showed you something like a trend line. This is what I was talking about.
Yeah.
Yes. This is what I was talking about. First time, second time. This one happens when a price is a breakout. When price is a breakout, ayisafiki njengala into ayibona la ifikile most likely accurate. Now, because of says breakout,
I saw it.
yes, ayisana power yokuthi izofika somewhere here. Seyizojika halfway.
Yeah.
Now,
Halfway, yeah.
if you know how so fundile ukuthi si trader kanjani and what is it that we do kuma trend lines, you are going to get an opportunity here and get another opportunity here. And then now we have a breakout here. You're going to get another opportunity here.
Yeah.
But this one, ayibanga accurate because of this rally pays rally. Eshiyeke price mayikhuphuke phezulu. But this one is the same thing. But let me take this one down a little bit so that you can see something that is accurate. With the maskhuluma nge-breakout strategies, khuluma ngentenjana. Now, we have this one. Resistant. This one is ankisafika ku-resistant yethu. Yabiyela phansi. From this level, price yakhuphuka yeza la phezulu. The reason why i-price ibona ijikile yeza la, it's because of this one. What happened on the left-hand side? This throw
okay.
This object, see later on the right-hand side. Angithi uyayibona yenzekile i-consolidation yethu here, and then i-price yabuya azotesta this one. Remember, i-price mayifika kuboma something like i-drop base drop and rally base rally. I-rally base rally ine-potential yokuthi ichinje i-direction ye-market. But now, here is a breakout strategy. I-breakout ile first time, second time, ya-breakout la, yabuya yazotesta la, yakhomba ukuthi now seyakhuphuka iya phezulu. So as the price ikhuphuka phezulu, ifike again to i-drop base drop yethu. And then that's when the price ichikile yabiyela phansi. La ifikile for the first time, yabuya yeza la ku-support, kule resistant yethu. So remember, once a resistance is broken, it becomes a support. So that's what happened here. Iphenduke support, and people started buying here. The price went up again. And then at my figure la, our trader, drop base drop, they decided to sell again. That's what happened here. And then Savani trend line. The price yakhuphuka yajika la. Remember, this one was a resistance this side, and then it was broken. It becomes a support. It was broken going down. It became a resistant again. It was broken, yachika futhi, and then it was broken for good.
Yeah.
So far, ukhona umbuzo mhlawumbe onawo ufuna ungathi singawukhava before siqhubekela phambili.
Bye. Next.
Oh gosh. Okay, let's go to smaller time frames. Start from here. Look at what happened here. Let's remove it. The shandis leg away. Look at what happened here. We're going to use this one as our support. And then look at what happened this side. We have a drop, base, drop. Can you see the drop, base, drop?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I can see.
You know what happens when there's a drop, base, drop. The market will turn the direction. As you can see, it went down here. And then yabuya futhi yazothenga more or less the same level. Yabuyela futhi phansi, more or less the same, even though it was not the same here. But yachika, yabuyela phezulu, yazochika at this level. But
Yeah.
now the price is
Yeah.
failing to get to this support. Ilokhu iyajika,
Support.
So now let's pay attention kule zone labe price ijika khona. Now we're going to have something like this.
Yeah.
So we're going to say njengoba sinale drop base drop here. The price ishintshe i-direction mayifika la. Ithe mayisuka share i-supply and demand here. You can see the red one in the middle. And then yakhuphuka, as ikhuphuka testa the same. After it,
Yeah.
and remember below you have a double bottom even though ingekho that close, but it is a double bottom. And then now you have supply and demand. After that, i-price ikhuphukile yeza kuphi ku-drop base drop yakho. After ize ku-drop base drop yabuyela phansi yeza la. Yajika mayifika la. Yabuyela back to the resistance eyenzeke because of the drop base drop. Yehla again, yabuyela back to the resistance again. Yehla futhi. Now, if you check njengoba yehlile, ayikakafiki la. Now you have this one and this one. Let's try to add a trend line and see ukuthi kuphumani. Unfortunately, ayikakayithindi i-trend line yethu. But then let's take this one to the right hand side. Here's the breakout. The breakout happened here. Ibona breakout now price ikhuphukile yaphezulu. And then drop again the price. You can see which price is dropile here. So as you can see, which price here to it dropile, here's a back to the same resistance. This is where you're going to buy. And then you're going to put your stop loss below. This is where you're going to buy, and then you're going to place your stop loss below. As you buy here, the price is okupuga phezulu. Remember, you're going to use your left hand side to place take profit yakho.
Take profit, yeah.
So far, usese sharp.
That's the sharp.
Okay, let's go back and check again ukuthi akhona amanye opportunities. These things zenzeka now and then go market. I-breakout doesn't need ukuthi kube yinto enkulu. It can be something small that you don't even notice. You're telling a smaller time frame, like what happened here. Look at this. Support, yangasafika support. It was broken. Now iphenduke irresistant here.
Yeah.
Asiyenze practical.
Yeah.
Izinto ezikanje uyazithola la like this. But this one, we're not gonna consider this one as valid. I think I just a grand to this level. Okay, now it looks good. So gule level there, we're going to pay attention to 1 and 2, and then flip, and then it was broken here. Remember, once a support is broken, it becomes a resistance.
Yeah.
This is what we have now. This is what we have. Your price is. So now you know at this point where you're going to place a stop loss. You take profit yako. Take profit yako is going to be here. It's going to be here. And then you know which at this level where you're going to place is stop loss circle. Stop loss circle. It's gonna be here.
Yeah.
So think of this opportunity. How much are you going to make from this point to this point? Yayibona le Shandis.
Hayi, yayibona.
Okay. Now we on sibheke on a smaller time frame, ne? Remember, we started checking this one on
1 hour.
Yeah, we started checking this one on a higher time frame from weekly side, smaller time frame.
Weekly.
Pay attention to this one. This one, Italela. First time. And then second time. Remember, we have a support here. Look at this above flip. Look at what happened above. The price was turning this side. Can you see it?
Yes.
This one here. The price was turning this side as a what? As a support on 1 hour time frame. The price was turning as a support twice. And then when you look closer, you have a trend line. Can you see it? First time, second time, third time. So now after selling the trend line, this is what happened in the market. The price kept turning here. The price kept turning here.
Yeah. Some consolidation.
Yes. You can see that for several hours, the price kept turning.
About 4 or 5 times.
You see?
Yeah.
So now, as the price was turning here, you can see below. This was the consolidation. This was the consolidation. So at this level, you know that you after this breakout, you have to buy above. Sorry, not to buy. Sorry, you have to sell here. If you sell here, that means your stop loss is going to be above. And remember, you already sold the price here because of the trend. And then at this level, you can sell anywhere here and put your stop loss above.
Above.
Yeah, you can see that the price was just going up. You don't have to sell. I mean, you don't have to buy here. Remember,
Yes.
I always say when the price is going down, you look for sell opportunities only. When the price is going up, you look for buy opportunities only.
Buy opportunities only.
So here, you just keep on looking for sell opportunities as the price is going down. So now you're going to sell, let's say maybe you had an opportunity when the price was turning on a major support, on the major resistance above. So now you sold above, and then here's another opportunity. You have a trend line, you're going to sell again. And then now you have this consolidation. So now you have minor support and resistance here. You're going to sell here. You don't have to buy here. You just have to sell above. So as you're going to sell above, here's a breakout. This one is a sign that now this one is no longer valid. It's a breakout. We are done with the consolidation. So after the consolidation, this is what happened.
Yeah.
This is a confirmation that the consolidation is no longer available. We break this one. We keep going down. You're going to sell here.
Support has been quoted.
Yes, you're going to sell here and put your stop loss above. The price went down. Are you still with me? If Kuko no understand, you feel free to ask Sizokwazi ukuthi ikhave very quick. Are we still together?
Yes, following.
Okay. Here is another one. Here is another one. Look at this. Flip. It's fine. Look at this level. I'll start from this side and then I go to the right-hand side. Remember, once a support is broken, it becomes a resistance. We have a support. We have a support again. 3 times. I mean, 2 times. Support, support. And then once a support is broken, it becomes a what? A resistance. Here is a resistance. Now it became a resistance. Let's take this one to the right-hand side. You can see what happened here. The price turned again. And then here it turned, but not as much as it turned here. So now at this level, you know that you're going to sell here and put your stop loss above. And again, look at this. I'm not sure if this one is accurate or not. No, it is not accurate. It is not accurate. The delta touch did not touch the trend line. So at this level, this is where you're going to place your TP. And then now, as the price went down here after this breakout, the price went up. It created what here on 1 hour, a drop-based drop. And then the price went down. As the price was going down, it did not touch the new support below. Instead, it went back up to test what the drop-based drop, and then it went down. That's when it touched the new support. Let's go back and check again. Okay, this one is not accurate. This one is just a drop-based drop. You can see. It's just a drop-based drop. You know how to trade a drop-based drop. You put your stop loss above, and then I'm not sure if this one is accurate or not. It is not accurate. It was supposed to turn somewhere here. I don't see more opportunities here. I think I have to change this pair and look for another one. Let's check another volatility pair. Okay, this one looks accurate. The price was turning here as what? As a flip. The price was turning below as a support. You can see here, here, here. At this level, the price did not turn. It just went a little bit up and then it went down. So now we have a breakout here. You can see that the market went down. As it was going down, then the price decided to go back up to test this one to show that, you know what, guys, now we are going down. The reason why you will see something like this is because of, how can I put it? Many people were waiting here to sell. So the price left here without without more sellers. As you can see, look at the structure of the candlesticks and the size of the candlesticks. They are very small. We had out of 100, I'd say we had 50% sellers, or 60, you can say 60%. And then the price went back up, and then more sellers decided to jump in because they know that now this is the right time for us to sell. Look at the candlesticks this side and look at the candlesticks this side. They are not the same. The red candlesticks are bigger than the red candlesticks this side. Now more sellers are in, willing to sell, and then they push the market down. Remember your left hand side to place take profit yako. And na corner as well, we have support and resistance that was broken. Look at what happened here. Let me just adjust it a little bit. I think it looks good. Look at what happened here. Look at what happened here. Look at what happened here. Resistant, broken, support, support. I'm not sure what happened this time, but this time the price didn't reach the same level. Again, almost. Even if I zoom in, it's not the same level. Let's check. You can see it's not the same level. It turns somewhere. Turns somewhere. And then let me see. The level is not the same. Even if I zoom out, let's check again. Now, here's the same level. Let me take this one to the right-hand side.
Okay.
Can you see this? Now, it's the same level. Look at what happened again here. And look at what happened again here. See where it started. It started this side, and then the market turned. You're going to buy here, and then the price will go up. Again, now you're going to buy here. The reason for you to buy here is because of what happened this side. Can you see it? So now, for me personal, I was not gonna buy here. The only important touches or time to buy, it's here and here. That's where the price is strong. By looking at what happened here, you can see that the market was very strong when it was going up. But look at what happened after. You can see the structure is not the same anymore. So look at the look at what happened again when the price get to this level. It tried to go up, but it failed. So this one, you're not gonna consider this one as valid. So you're not gonna trade this one as much as it is valid, but it is not good to take a trade on this one. because you're going to buy here where you're going to place your stop loss, below where you're going to place your TP. Your TP is supposed to be roughly here, but now look at what happened. The price is now weak. The sellers here are going to push the market to go down. So you need to be safe by all means. If you took this trade here, don't take any trade this side for you to be safe. So let's go back and check. Before we go back, any question?
For me, it's after the if you go back to where you were just sharing.
Right.
After that breakout, would you look for a sell opportunity there?
Which one here?
Yes.
Let me zoom in and check. The sell opportunity that I was gonna look for at this level. I was gonna look for an opportunity where the price will go to test this one as a resistance. Unfortunately, by looking at this one, it did not touch the horizontal line.
Not touch.
Yes. And again, if you look carefully, you have something like this. Can you see?
Yes.
This is a trend line. This is a confirmation of a trend line. So if it happened that the prices went up, it was going to touch this one to confirm or to sell the trend line. Remember, you have this confirmation and this one. So now you'll wait for the third time. So the third touch was going to be here. And the third touch was going to align with what happened on the left-hand side. So unfortunately, the price did not touch this one. That is why I was not going to get any opportunity.
You wouldn't take it.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's go and look for another one. Look what happened here. This is a touch, and this is a touch, and this is a touch. After this touch, here is the price testing this one, and then it went down. Can you see what happened here?
Yes.
Resistant, resistant, resistant. And then here, we have a support. So now, here you're going to sell, and you put your stop loss above. By looking at what happened here, your first TP is going to be at this level. Using what happened on our left-hand side. Even though the risk to reward is going to be small, but then this one's going to be where your first take profit is going to be. And then you go to your left-hand side to look for where you're going to put your second TP. Roughly, you can see here, let's just zoom out. You see this level. Take it to the right-hand side. Now, what happened here? The price turned halfway. The reason the price turned here, it's because of this one. We had a drop, base, drop. And then here is another one created. But this one, the price turned here because of this one. Look at what happened. Here is the drop, base, drop. Here's the drop, base, drop here on our left-hand side. And then the price turned. It went down. So your first take profit was going to be here to this level. And then your second one is going to be below. using what happened previously. And if you don't want to take this one because of it's a bit long and far, you're going to use this one as your second TP.
Yeah.
You're still safe using this one.
That's safer.
Come again?
That is much safer.
Yeah, this one is much safer than the long one. But still, you're gonna make a lot with this one compared to this one.
Yeah.
You're gonna make a lot. But still, you have to be safe by all. So looking at what happened here, you're going to be safe as well. And then you're going to get another opportunity to sell here, going down. You can see that the price went up here to take this one. We have a drop-based drop here. I'm not sure if you can see it. Okay, here is it. It's a drop-based drop. Look at what happened. Drop-based drop. The price went up, and then you can see what happened. So now, here is another opportunity for you to sell. Because of the drop-based drop, you're going to sell here, expecting the price to go down. And then the price did go down. Here, we have a small breakout. You can see here, we have a bit of consolidation. Let's use our horizontal line. You can see what happened here. First time. This one, I'm not gonna count how many times. I'll just put this one here. I'll just put this one here. So now you can see what happened this side. First time, second time. Remember now, this one, it's our support. It was broken here. The price went up to test again as a resistance. This is where you're going to sell. You put your stop loss above. Let the price go down. You are safe. You see what happened? So now I'm just left with 1 minute. Any questions so far?
Everything is clear.
Everything is clear. Okay.
Yeah.
When you get this one next to support or resistance, you're going to see this kind of formation. You can see this one. If you look it from a bigger picture, you have a trend line here. And then look at what you have here. This was a sign of the price going up. The price failed to go down. Instead, it was turning up, and then this is what happened. We'll continue later because of now it was just me and you. So later we'll come back and cover this one.
Okay, great.
Sharp.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.